What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. On this channel, I've had networking and interviewing series that help with your career prospects. But today, I want to introduce you to my good friend, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a free and powerful media platform that I highly encourage you to join in order to improve your networking and land your next job through. In this video, I'm going to share the basics of maneuvering around LinkedIn, how to get started, and what you should know to get the most out of your account. Before getting started though, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to help out the channel. If you're new to this channel and haven't seen my networking videos where I teach you how to network via LinkedIn, I'll be sure to link that in the bio below for you to check out after this one. So, let's get into it. For those who don't already know, LinkedIn is a professional social media platform where you share stories, career advice, and job postings, and can connect with over 600 million users internationally. It's a great way to meet new people professionally from the comfort of your own home. Obviously, networking events are important for establishing concrete relationships, but LinkedIn allows you to reach out to people in whatever industry you're interested in across the world. You're able to make introductions, which is something I'll explain later in this video, connect with others, and apply for positions all within the same space. As if this isn't enough, when you're a LinkedIn Premium member, you'll even have access to more features like LinkedIn Learning courses where you can earn certifications in various fields and so much more. For this video, I'm going to focus on the basics and what you have access to as a free user, but if you'd like to learn more about the paid membership and what that has to offer, be sure to let me know in the comments below and I'll make another video on that. Let's first get started with a general run through of what you'll see when you're on your homepage and what all the tabs are on the top. On your homepage, you're going to see posts from people that you're connected with or pages that you like. It's very similar to your Instagram or Facebook feed where people post college graduation photos, a new job acceptance, and thought-provoking messages. You can interact similarly to how you would on social media, which you can also do with this video by liking, commenting, and subscribing. From there, you move into the My Networks tab. The My Networks tab is pretty self-explanatory, which is why I'm not going to get too into it, but it's your network and connections. You can see people that you're connected with and a couple other things from the left-hand panel. Then we get into the fun tab, the Jobs tab. The Jobs tab is where you can find different positions in different industries all around the world. You can filter what you're looking for by searching in the top left and by localizing your parameters by finding positions within a given area. It's kind of like all those job posting sites compressed into one. On the left side panel, you'll also have the option to build your resume, practice your interview, and receive alerts on whatever it is you are looking for. But if you're interested in resume development and interview preparation, I've also made over a dozen videos on this channel where I'm certain I've answered any question you might already have. But since these videos are also made for a generic audience, I'm more than happy to help you out specifically if you're interested in scheduling a one-on-one appointment on my website, ryanrafi.com. I'll be sure to link my website and the promo codes in the bio below if you're interested in continuing down a path of professional success. But from there, the next two tabs are pretty straightforward, where it's the messages and notifications. I don't think there's really any need to get into that one, but moving on to the last tab is your profile. This is where you want to stand out by spending a bit of time in developing your profile to attract everyone who wants to learn more about you. You can share featured materials from any publications you've written to your resume. On your profile, you also have a section where you share a little about yourself in the About section. Talk about your interests, who you're hoping to connect with, and what your career goals are. If you'd like more information about this section or about your profile, be sure to let me know in the comments below. But then, kind of like your resume, you have sections where you can talk about your experiences, educations, licenses, and recommendations, and the list goes on. I'm skipping over a few because I want you to check out LinkedIn to learn by doing. Remember, the best way to learn is by getting your feet wet and exploring what LinkedIn has to offer. Now that I've shared the basics of LinkedIn and the different tabs and what they all mean, I'm going to share some common questions LinkedIn users might have if they're new or just never paid attention. First, you'll notice that as a new user, you'll be sending connection requests to people you may know. After they've accepted, you might notice recommended connections. But what's interesting is that LinkedIn segments your connections and others by labeling them with firsts, seconds, and thirds. What do I mean by this? Well, if you look closely to the right side of each person's name, you'll notice a number. A first connection corresponds to a direct connection. It's someone that you already know or have a connection with. A second is someone that you aren't connected with but have a mutual friend who is connected with them. These are great people if you're interested in expanding your connections within a mutual sphere of influence or within a certain industry, because you can ask your connection or friend to make an introduction for you. A third is someone that you have no connection with. They're another user whom you don't share a connection with, but you're able to find out if you'd like. Now, to make a connection, you can go about it in two ways. You can click connect and hope that they accept, or you can add a note to your connection. In your note, you can mention a really brief message saying who you are and why you're interested in connecting with that person. If your note is intriguing enough or just piques their interest, they'll accept, and there you have a connection. So, as a recap, LinkedIn is the world's largest social network for professionals in any career. It's a great way to kickstart your career by sharing with others your platform and profile through what you've done. There's a lot of different and cool features behind LinkedIn, which I'll be making more videos about soon, so be sure to subscribe to not miss out. With that being said, be sure to also like and comment if you found this video helpful. This was a pretty introductory video, but if you'd like me to cover more in-depth topics about LinkedIn and what it has to offer, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, if you'd like one-on-one mentorship when it comes to writing your resume, cover letter, and so much more, be sure to visit my website, ryanralphie.com, and use my promo codes in the bio below for my products and services. As always, thanks. Until next time.